Meantime, it's a setback for athletes in New Jersey after the snowstorm caused a popular sports bubble dome to collapse. Nick Caloway is in Wall Township in Monmouth County with more now on the damage.
Unfortunately, the weight of the snow just crippled the bubble and collapsed it.
The bubble dome at GoodSports USA is usually visible from Route 138 in Wall Township, but the massive snowfall brought the dome down late Sunday night. General Manager Denny Pepe says the dome is kept upright and inflated by air pressure, which is turned up during a storm like this.
With this one, though, with the amount of snow we got, it was just a very, very heavy snow, and we tried everything we normally do, and it just did not work.
This is what the dome usually looks like from the inside. Sports domes like this are very popular for young athletes, especially in the colder months. Some of the activities can be moved to other facilities on the property, but there's only so much space.
That's what hurts. We've been doing this for a long time, and people count on this winter training.
This is going to put an impact on youth sports in our area for a while.
Wall Township Police Chief Sean O'Halloran says his own kids played soccer here.
Good sports is a pillar of our community. So many youth sports happen here daily, and luckily nobody was inside when this went down.
No injuries were reported in the collapse. It's not the first time this has happened on the property. An inflatable dome here collapsed in a similar storm back in 2009. There's no timeline on how long it'll take to get the dome fixed this time around. In Wall Township, New Jersey, Nick Caloway, CBS News, New York.